So good morning, this is the walk around video for the 2017 plate Burstner Ixeo IT680G. I'll give you a brief overview of the outside of the vehicle and then we'll move to the inside. So as you can see, it's on a 17 plate, it's built in 2017. This particular vehicle has the alloy wheels, the 180 horsepower engine upgrade, which is 2 steps from the standard, so it's the top level. It has the side steps which are structural, you can stand on them. And just to confirm, the mileage is 13,436. This is a very high spec vehicle from factory with the silver paint. We have this locker which is for your gas bottles and it will hold 2 bottles. If we look at the side of the vehicle, there are no dents or dings or chips. And if we look at the front as well, there are no visible stone chips on the bonnet and no stone chips on the windscreen either. Moving back round, it has an external barbecue point already fitted, a point for an aerial to go in externally. These are all extras, and also the Thule Omnister awning with the LED lighting in there as well. At the back we have a large garage with the carpets which look pretty much brand new. I don't think they've been used. You have the awning pole for the awning. This particular vehicle was also fitted with factory rear steadies. It has the ladder for the bed in the front, and it also fitted with, as you can see on the other side, a factory safe, and this is the toolkit here. All in very good order. As previously mentioned, the previous customer was very particular about his van and kept it in excellent condition. Just moving to the other side of the vehicle, again we'll just check the bodywork. Again, no dings, no obvious scratches, and if we look at the windows, there are no tree scratches either, which are very common. This is the convenience locker, and then on the other side of the 680 we have the full height garage, which has a shelf inside which drops down for storage. Really useful, or helpful if you want to be putting skis in. So there's just another view of the Alco factory fitted safe. At the back of the vehicle we have a reverse camera, and it's also fitted with the Fiamma 2 bike rack, again which is fitted from factory. So again, in excellent condition. Tyres are all good, and doesn't look like there's any scratches on the alloys, etc. So let's move to inside. So inside, this has the Ferro Arc leather, which was again another expensive option from factory. The leather is in excellent condition. There are no tears or scratches. And then, as you can also see, as we move to the front of the vehicle, this is fitted with the multimedia system, which has satellite navigation. It's on the 6-speed auto with cruise control and speed limiter. It also has electric and heated wing mirrors, and it also has the Remis cab blinds. So these blinds then, like I say, concertina across for privacy. All the windows and all the roof lights have fly screens and blackout blinds, including the fly screen on the habitation door. With this being the Ixeo in the premium range, everything is of the best German quality. We have an oven and grill underneath the kitchen units. The kitchen worktops again are in excellent condition and barely look used. The fridge is the large 3-way automatic fridge, again in excellent condition, and there is another storage above. The heating and hot water system in this van is the top end blown air Truma 6E heating system that will run off gas, electric or both. There is also a large wardrobe to the side of the fridge. There is a solid dividing door which gives privacy to the bathroom area. And then we move to the spacious bathroom in the back. We have loads of room for the toilet, large mirrors, and then a really generous shower which has a hanging rail in it as well. And then for additional storage, there is a large wardrobe in the back, and And then on the other side we have a large storage area with drawers that slide out, so really useful storage solutions. This, along with the garage in the back, means there's tons of storage, and remember this is only just under 7 meters, so it's a really useful area. So let's show you the bed before we finish. So all we do is slide this front seats back to make sure they are clear for the bed to go down. I'll just put my phone down for a second. We then drop this table. The handles here. So we drop this table down, and that then forms the base of the lower bed. So we just have pads that fit in that area, which makes a huge bed underneath. And then for the main bed, as you can see, it is up here. There is a control panel, which we just use a small key. You can obviously keep the key in, and we then drop the bed. As you can see, the end panel lifts up out of the way to make the bed even larger. We press the button again, and that then takes it into the 4-berth sleeping arrangement. So there's plenty of room underneath, and then we have plenty of room at the top as well. But if there's just 2 of you, this bed will then drop all the way, just all by the touch of a button, and will go very low. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it is just above my knee for getting in. So it's a huge bed. You're sleeping longitudinal, so you don't have to climb over anybody when you're getting out. You can leave all your bedding on, and you still have access to watching the TV. And the TV drops down from this unit here. So that's the overview of the 680. This particular vehicle is, like I say, in excellent condition, and will be a fantastic buy for anyone. Thank you.